Hello friends, today after quite a long time I am here with a plant video. Actually it is a very small short video. It is a mini tour of some of my plants. Finally the rain has subsided and for the last 2 days it is bright and sunny and also hot. So I thought why not share some of my plants which have survived the rain, and so without further delay I'll be introducing you to them. That's the miniature form of snake plant. Now this plant, I find this plant very attractive. It has been with me for I think last 2 years, but I do not know its name. Now this is Echeveria pulvinate ruby. You all have seen this plant earlier. The leaves turn deep maroon when exposed to the sunlight for a long period. This plant was given to me by my sister as the snake plant was rotting at her place. So after getting the little one home, I kept it to air dry for a few days and then I repotted, and now it is doing fine. Now those are all my leaf grown succulents. That is the Echeveria. Some of them, see, are turning upside down with the roots up in the air. Now this is I think Pacupaitama, what I forgot. This also is a leaf propagation. Actually the main mother plant rotted in just 2 days time, and that was the first succulent to rot under my care during this rainy season. That's the aglonema variety, which I thought I almost lost, but it has revived. Now that is the aglonema red valentine. I think you can see the pink spots. If you watch carefully, you can see the pink spots, but gradually with time it will turn pink. That's the topsy-turvy. Now that's the marbled pothos. And here is the actual beauty which never disappoints me. It is the variegated pothos. It is always happy and lively. Now that's the burro's tail, which I am showing you for the first time. It is taking its own sweet time to grow. Now that's the aglonema red valentine. Now that's the aglonema snow white. I think this is also a variety of aglonema. I'm so proud of these little ones. I feel so happy. I have grown different types of succulents this season, but I saw that topsy-turvy is quite a hardy one. It does not rot that very easily. Friends, I have come to the end of the video. Please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment, to hit the like button if you found the video interesting. And if you are new to our channel, do take a moment to subscribe. Stay tuned for more interesting videos in future. So till then, keep smiling, and it is bye for today. Bye bye.